Golden, crispy, and incredibly juicy chicken, this simple recipe gives you the best results. Hi, today we're making crispy chicken. Let's start with 2 large chicken legs. They're more tender than chicken breast. First, debone the chicken. Use a small knife to gently separate the meat. Instead of cutting straight through, slice carefully along the natural shape of the bone so the bone can be removed easily and beautifully. For the best taste, let's give the chicken a simple marinade. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, half tablespoon cooking wine, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon 13 spice powder, and a few slices of garlic and ginger. Mix everything well. Then refrigerate and marinate for 1 hour. I love making my own garlic honey sauce. Here is how I make it. It's simple but super delicious. Stir and mix evenly before using it. Then add a little bit of oil in a pan. Stir fry some minced garlic until fragrance comes out. Pour in the sauce mixture and stir constantly to prevent sticking. Once it thickens into a sticky glaze, it's ready. Now let's fry the chicken. For a perfect crunch, we're using a 2-to-1 mix of cornstarch and flour. Remove the garlic and ginger from the chicken. Coat the chicken evenly in the flour mixture. Press firmly to help the coating stick. Flip it over and repeat on the other side. Then shake off any extra flour before frying. Frying doesn't have to use too much oil, just a thin layer of oil in a non-stick pan. When oil is hot enough, place the chicken skin side down first. Let it crisp up. Then flip and fry the other side until golden brown. Flip back to the skin side and let it fry for extra crunch. Adjust the position occasionally for even cooking. Take it out until we got this beautiful, crispy, and golden crust. Now let's cut the chicken. Drizzle garlic honey sauce. Garnish some sesame and scallion. Let me take the first bite. Wow, amazing! The crust is super crispy, packed with flavor in every bite. The chicken inside is juicy, tender, and incredibly tasty. Please give a thumbs up if you liked it. I'm Ken Man. See you next time.